Schwarz triangle is widely used for intraday by many traders. In this session, we are going to learn about covered Schwarz triangle. This is Ganesh from Smart Investor. Let's learn something new today. This is covered Schwarz triangle, which will give you better return on investment, less risk. It can be used to generate regular income. Covered Schwarz triangle. What is this one? A Schwarz triangle is set up by generally selling two out of the money options, one put and one call option of the same underlying asset and expiration date, possibly at the same distance from the spot price. To execute this on a stock, we need to have already one lot size of its futures contract or cash holding. For example, if we wish to initiate this strategy on Hindustan Unilever HUL, we need to already hold 300 shares of Hindustan Unilever when to use this strategy. When existing holding is reasonably corrected and available at good price, when the stock is less volatile, if we are ready to take delivery one additional lot when the stock goes in the money of the put side, when the stock is expected to take sideways or to be neutral for some time before making next move, when corporate results are over and no major events are expected. Let's see Hindustan Unilever chart. If you observe this chart, it has been very good at one point of time, but if you observe this in the box, on August onwards it took very good jump. From there again corrected back to normal. So this chart appears very good reason, right? So it has been reasonably corrected. It is fundamentally very good stock. So if it goes even further, so one should be happy to take delivery. In that case, covered Schwarz triangle can be applied this stock. This is exactly a right candidate for this strategy. Let's understand the example on this stock. As we notice this chart, how it happened. On August 13th, it was trading around 2400. From there, it shot up to 2800 rupees on September 20th. From there, it slowly again corrected. It came back to 2400 rupees on 18th November. Let's assume that HUL was bought at 2400 rupees. It was at 2400 on 13th August 2021 and shot up to 2800 rupees on 20th September 2021. It is now at 2399 rupees 40 paisa as on 18th November 2021. So how do we execute this strategy? We have to sell one lot of December 2300 put option at 17 rupees 55 paise and sell one lot of December 2500 call option at 28 rupees 50 paise, assuming that we have holding of 2400 rupees one lot size. So net credit is 13,815 rupees. Let's see payoff chart. If you see the payoff chart, probability of profit is 59.12, around 60%, which is good. Max profit is 41,400 rupees. Break evens at the downside is 2,362 rupees. For this entire margin, here in this example I took futures. Somebody can have this in cash holding, so it doesn't matter whatever, but total if it is future, estimation margin is 2,48,000. Otherwise margin can be considered both put and call to sell would be around 1,30,000 to 50,000 rupees. So when you see this payoff chart, upside is completely no risk and downside only there is a risk. Let's understand more in next slide. What are the advantages? It gives you more return on investment than covered call. If margin for the covered call is, let's say, 1 lakh, and to sell put for the covered triangle, it takes additional 25 to 30,000 only. So to initiate both sell call and put, we additionally put around 30,000. Naked short triangle is high risk strategy, as both downside and upside risks are unlimited, whereas in covered short triangle both risks are addressed and prepared for their, since upside risk is completely removed with cash holdings and downside risk is to take one more lot with cash or futures, which we already prepare for that. Adjustments. It hardly needs any adjustment as we prepare for both downside and upside risk. If call goes in the money, we ready to give delivery. If put goes in the money, we already ready to take the delivery. That is the plan. If stock stays neutral by the expiry, repeat the process every month. That's all. To protect from the downside, if you more, one can buy FAR OTM put for the worst scenario. Hope you like and is useful to you to earn more income. Please subscribe and like, comment if you have any queries under the comment section. For any queries, we have a Telegram group. Please join for the group for more market updates and live trades and any friendly discussion. Thank you very much for watching the video.